Hi friends! Today we're making a budget-friendly and delicious onion cheeseburger. Subscribe to the channel, share this tasty masterpiece, and leave a comment. Tell us what you think about this burger. Take a large onion and cut it into 2 thick slices. We need the middle part of the onion, about this width. Fry the onion for about 8 minutes over medium heat. At the same time, cook the chicken burger patty. While our ingredients are frying, let's make a classic sauce. Take 1 pickled cucumber, dice it, put it in a bowl, and add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix well. Now for the trickiest part. We need to flip the onion to the other side. Carefully lift and turn it over. Oops, the middle fell out, but that's okay, we'll add cheese on top later. Repeat the same with the second onion slice. Don't forget about our burger patty. Oops, it's a little overcooked. But what an aroma! I can't wait. Cook the patty for about 3 minutes more. Then take the cheese, we're using cheddar, place it on top and cover with a lid so it melts faster. Add cheese to the onion as well and cover with a lid for about 3 minutes. Finally, the last step. Layer the burger. First the onion, then the sauce, next the patty, more sauce, and to finish, the onion with melted cheese. It's so delicious. Just look at this masterpiece. Let's cut it open and see the inside. Wow, honestly, this is one of my favorite burgers. You have to try it. Friends, now the most interesting part, your feedback. Write in the comments what you think about this burger. Have you ever cooked something similar with onions? Don't forget to subscribe and share this burger with your friends. The recipe is in the description. Enjoy your meal!